The 2025 Delhi Assembly election was a watershed moment in the capital's political landscape. The stakes were high for all the major players, the BJP, AAP and Congress. The people of Delhi turned out in large numbers to exercise their democratic right. The results sent shockwaves through the political establishment. The BJP secured a resounding victory, winning 48 out of the 70 seats. This is a significant comeback for the party after 27 years out of power in Delhi. The AAP, which had swept the 2020 election, suffered a major setback, winning only 22 seats. The Congress, once a dominant force in Delhi politics, was completely routed, failing to win a single seat. The BJP's victory can be attributed to a number of factors. Firstly, the party ran a well-organized and disciplined campaign. Secondly, it benefited from the popularity of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Thirdly, the AAP government faced criticism over issues such as air pollution and the handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. The BJP's victory has raised hopes for a new era of development in Delhi. The party has promised to focus on improving infrastructure, education and public welfare. The AAP, now in the opposition, will play a crucial role in holding the government accountable. The Congress, meanwhile, needs to undertake a serious introspection of its strategy and connect with the voters. The BJP's victory is likely to have a significant impact on Delhi's governance and policies. The party has promised to implement its vision of a new Delhi with a focus on infrastructure development, economic growth and improved public services. It remains to be seen how the BJP will balance its development agenda with the needs of all sections of Delhi's diverse population. The Delhi election results have sent ripples across the country. The BJP's victory is being seen as a sign of its continued dominance in Indian politics. The AAP's defeat is a setback for the party, which had hoped to expand its national footprint. The Congress's dismal performance has further deepened the crisis within the party. The Delhi election results will have a bearing on the upcoming state elections and the 2029 general elections. The BJP will draw confidence from its victory in Delhi and will seek to replicate its success in other parts of the country. The opposition parties, on the other hand, will need to come together and forge a united front against the BJP. The future of Indian politics will depend on how these dynamics play out in the coming months and years.